When I was young, I experienced a crisis of identity. What is important for life, DNA or RNA? DNA, the molecule of life. Researchers have spent more than 10 years to decipher the sequence of the genome. But to discover what? That only 1% of the genome code for proteins. But most of the genome can produce RNAs. RNAs, non-coding RNAs. They have been invisible for years, but now they emerge as the superheroes of life. They act as scaffolds, regulators of everything, transcription, translation. Even a single non-coding RNA can silence a whole chromosome. I will tell you the story about how I fell in love with RNAs. It started in Argentina. I was a bit confused between DNA, RNA. So I decided to enroll in a PhD in France to study transcription during mitosis. We found that transcription of very short non-coding RNA impacts the condensation of chromosomes during mitosis. This was amazing, so I wanted to understand more how non-coding transcription can regulate chromosomes. So I joined the lab in Italy to study specific part of chromosomes ends. They are very fascinating because they have repetitive sequences and they were thought to be silent. However, just 15 years ago, researchers have found the most eco-friendly molecule in the world, Terra. Terra is a long non-coding RNA transcribed from chromosome ends that can regulate how short or long these chromosome ends are. And this is a process essential for cancer. So now I'm working on regulating Terra to try to change the length of chromosome ends in order to impact the survival of cancer cells. And now that you know the whole story, I confess I have a new dilemma. What is important for life? Short non-coding RNAs or long non-coding RNAs?